Tired of typing in your Instagram login details every time you open the app? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I'll show you how to save login info on Instagram. Let's begin by opening Instagram. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. From the options below, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account Center. Tap on Password and Security. Here you can see Save Logins. Tap on it. Now select the account for which you want to see Save Login info. If you haven't turned on the Save Login, tap on it. Save Login will help you log in easily every time you open the app. And that's how you save login info on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.